Okay, in this lab, we're going to look at angular velocity, which means something that's rotating in a circle, and you need to log into your Pivot Interactives account. I think you're going to go to My Classes. I don't know exactly where yours shows up, but we'll figure that out, okay? And then under AP Physics 2021, you'll see the activity called Rotating Wheel at a Constant Velocity. That's the one that you want. Okay, and then, oops, that is where you're going to go, I think. But mine must be here. Okay, and then I think you're going to open it, and it should look like this. Okay, so in this activity, we'll measure the distance of rotation and the time taken for a rotating reel. So we're basically doing exactly what you did with the boat simulation, but now this one's in a circle. Okay, so what you can do is, make this a little bit smaller, is you need to choose which trial you want. It doesn't really matter. Pick whatever you want. Okay, and then write that on your class kick, and then also pick what color dot you're going to watch. Okay, if you click this little guy up here in the corner, it will bring up this menu of different measuring tools. So you're probably going to want the timer. Okay, and you're probably going to want this angle thing. Okay, here's a ruler. We don't really need that for this one, but I don't know. There it is. Okay. All right. When you start the timer, just keep in mind what you want to do is pick whichever dot, figure out how you're going to measure it, you know, one revolution at a time. And blah, blah, blah. Okay. So however you're going to do it, right? You can go forward and back on the video. Okay. So figure out wherever you want to start. Okay, and when you get to that place, let's say if I'm watching this red dot and I want it to start at 0, at that point, reset your clock. Okay, and then when you play it again, it will start timing. So make sure that you get it to where you want to start and then hit reset on your timer. Okay, and then you can go ahead and do whatever. So see if you miss it, you know, keep in mind you can back it up and push it forward. Whatever you want to do, you can reset it again. If you want to start it again, you could do that. You know, whatever you like, however you want to do it. I trust that you're smart enough to figure that out. Okay, so if you have any questions, then just let me know.